Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from get.io to Kucoin. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your get.io application. Once you have logged into your get.io account, after that you need to click on this assets tab at the bottom right corner, and after that click on the withdraw button. You need to tap on this on-chain withdrawal from this withdraw window. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar, search for USDT and tap on that at the top. Once you landed on this page, here you will need to paste all your withdrawing details in order to transfer USDT from get.io to KuCoin. In order to find depositing address, you just need to minimize your get.io application and open your KuCoin. Once you have successfully logged into your KuCoin account, after that you need to tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner, and here you need to click on this Deposit Crypto button. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar, search for USDT and tap on Tether at the top. After that, here you need to select a network. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose all your funds. I am selecting here Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and here you can see your USDT Binance Smart Chain wallet address along with the QR code. So you just need to copy this address, click on got it, and after copying, reopen your get.io application and paste that copied address in this address bar. After that, select a network, select Binance Smart Chain network here also. After that, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring from get.io to KuCoin account. Once you fill all of these information, click on the withdraw button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer USDT from get.io to KuCoin, and that's how you can transfer USDT from get.io to KuCoin. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.